Hey guys, Chris here from RealTruck. We're here at SEMA 2019 talking to Chad about Rugged Liner's new HC3 Premium folding cover. Chad, why don't you tell us a little bit more about this new cover from Rugged Liner?
Appreciate it, thanks. So this is a new product that we have out. It will be released around the beginning of 2020. We've lowered the profile and put a new sleek design into it to be more modern. It has a brand new finish on it to give you that matte finish, but a little bit of texture and gloss to it. The cover operates like any trifold on the market, but we added some additional stuff with interior lighting on both sides. Everybody's gonna need to see what's in their bed when it's dark. The cover can be folded up into this position here, strapped down and driven in this position. Or if you need full bed access, simple wing nuts on the front, you can take the cover off and have total bed access.
All right, Chad, well thanks for telling us a little bit about this. It does look like a sleek, affordable cover from Rugged Liner, so check that out soon on RealTruck.com. In the meantime, we've got great content coming to you all week from SEMA 2019, so follow us on Facebook and Instagram, give our YouTube channel a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.